Hi everyone, welcome to RSN Hospitality, and today we are going to share some essential wine service knowledge that every restaurant staff member should have. Whether you're serving wine for the first time or looking to refine your skills, these tips will help you provide excellent service. Let's get started. First, let's talk about wine basics. It's important to understand the different types of wine, such as red, white, rose, sparkling, and dessert wines. Familiarize yourself with common grape varieties like Cabernet Sauvignon, Chardonnay, Merlot, and Pinot Noir. Next, we have wine storage. Proper storage is crucial to maintain the quality of the wine. Store wine bottles horizontally in a cool, dark place with a consistent temperature, ideally between 12 to 15 degrees Celsius or 54 to 59 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, let's discuss wine serving temperatures. Serve white wines chilled, typically between 7 to 10 degrees Celsius or 45 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, and red wines at a slightly cooler than room temperature, around 15 to 18 degrees Celsius or 59 to 64 degrees Fahrenheit. Sparkling wine should be served well chilled, between 5 to 7 degrees Celsius or 41 to 45 degrees Fahrenheit. When it comes to wine presentation and opening, always present the bottle to the guest with the label facing them. Use a wine key to cut the foil below the lip of the bottle, insert the corkscrew, and gently remove the cork. Wipe the bottle's neck with a clean cloth before pouring. For wine pouring, pour a small amount for the host to taste first. Once approved, pour for the guests, starting with the women, then men, and finally the host. Fill glasses to about 1/3 full to allow the wine to breathe. Understanding wine pairings is also essential. Pair white wines with lighter dishes like fish and poultry, and red wines with heavier dishes like red meat and rich sauces. Sparkling wines are versatile and can be paired with a variety of foods, including appetizers and desserts. Lastly, let's talk about wine etiquette. Always handle wine glasses by the stem to avoid warming the wine with your hands. Be attentive to guests' needs and offer to refill their glasses when appropriate. That's it for today. I hope you found these wine service tips helpful. If you have any questions or need more information, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and cheers to providing excellent wine service.